Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, YOTON Baby Monitor YB03, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the sound loudness on the camera, on the baby part of this device. To do it, you need to open the main menu and find here lullabies, and here you will see the sound mixture, something about it, and in this way you can change the sound loudness. Cool, go back, and when you want now to connect to the camera, when you will click on this button, you will tell something for the baby. For example, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool, it works. So, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.